To clean bathroom tile, try using white vinegar for an easy, cost-effective solution. Just mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray the mixture onto the tile. Let it sit for at least 1 minute, then wipe it off with a damp cloth. For stubborn spots, use a toothbrush to scrub the mixture into the tile. You can also use diluted bleach to clean bathroom tiles. Bleach will disinfect the tiles and whiten the grout between them. Mix 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of bleach, with 3/4 cup, 175 milliliters of water in a spray bottle, and spray it on the tile. Make sure the bathroom is well ventilated, and never mix bleach with ammonia, since it can put off toxic fumes. Leave the bleach mixture on for 1 hour, then rinse it off with water. Try running the shower on a high temperature before you start cleaning, which will open up the pores in the tile so it's easier to clean.